Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Snapchat story. If you are using Snapchat and you have uploaded story on your Snapchat and now you want to delete that, so let's see how can you easily delete your Snapchat story in your iPhone or Android. So you just have to open up your Snapchat app and here simply tap on your profile in the top left corner and here you will get the option of my story, but very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected or you have internet connection, your Wi-Fi or cellular. And once you have checked, you have to open your story. And here simply tap on three dots in the top right corner, and you will get the option of delete snap. Select that option, then select delete option again. And once you have done, your story will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete story in your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.